And before I forget to put the microphone on. All right, I've started the website. This is how it looks. I've merged our Epic blog branch into the master branch, and we're back on the master branch again. I've added all the module contents into these blogs. Yeah, this is not the final style, but I am aiming for a minimum viable product in here, and I want to release this website as soon as possible because like it started getting better than the old one. The only thing remaining that I want to take care of is the fonts before I take this live. Not having models is actually, I think it's a plus. Like, even though this doesn't look good, it still does the job better, I think, because like take a look at the mobile version. It's probably not mobile ready, but even the mobile version looks good, right? Even the mobile version, the user knows that they have to get back. I might just add a navigation bar at the top so the user clicks there to go back, but even this looks good. I'm going to add a footer to this and also a navigation bar. I might just add it in this stream if I have time, but there's another problem that I want to take care of. If you take a look at the bottom here, when I'm hovering over these elements, they are changing their margins. So if I go inspect and click one of these and then go computed, you can see here the transform area is changing, it's applying a transform to the element, right? And this transform is actually causing the horizontal scroll bar to appear. And on the mobile version of the website, if you hover over one of the items, then it will potentially allow you to scroll horizontally, and there will be an empty white space at the right, like a 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever pixels, but it will still be visible even though it's tiny. So I want to fix this issue today, and I think I could just do that also. Like, the margins here are not big enough for a mobile device, and there is a very simple solution for this. So I was thinking of limiting the width of these project cards to 97% maybe. It would be negligible for the user, but it will fix the bug as well, right? So let's go ahead and do that. And for a long time, I hope that will be the last horizontal scroll bug that I fix. So I am in the project card module.sass file, and in this file I'm going to add another style called mobile size, maybe. Yeah, that sounds right. And let's copy some stuff from the navbar module. Yeah, I want this one. Yeah. Well, I don't need a rule. What I need is, we can make this 768. Come on. Yep. And what I want is this, width 95%. And, no, actually 97% to be said, right? And because, well, Bootstrap is going to override this width, so we're going to tag this as important. Well, I know that you should not really use the important tags, but this is a very easy and clean way in our case to do it. So this is why it's here, right? We want to override Bootstrap's width content with Bootstrap's 100% width that comes with call MD4. So we're going to go back into the project card in here, and we're going to add what do we call it? Mobile size in here, and also you're going to add it in here. So this should fix our problem. It does. Okay, but there's another problem. So it looks like the items are, this margin is greater than that margin, and I think we can fix it the way that we've centered the footer. But if you didn't see it, let me just show it to you. See the green rectangle over there and over there, pay attention to that, and you can see on the right side of that rectangle there's an empty area. So let me just show it to you again. So left and right, see the difference? All right, let's go back to IntelliJ, and the way that we fix it is by providing margin left auto, margin right auto. So that should fix our issue, right? Yes, they moved ever so slightly to the left, in case you didn't see. Yeah, it still looks good for a mobile site, right? And okay, there's one more issue, but yeah, that's not a part of this problem. Right, I think that fixes it for us. Look good, looks fine. And there's one more thing that I need to change, and in the mobile version, like, this image should not be at the bottom, but it should be at the top. It's at the bottom because in here it's right aligned, and automatically it gets drawn under the text when we resize the website. This is not how it should be. Let me quickly check if that's the case on my current website. If that's the case, I can go ahead and release this because it's going to be better than... Okay, no. How did I achieve this behavior then? How did I make this stay at the top? Let's see. Oh, okay. There's pull right and pull left, float right, float left. So I made this by, so, okay. Yeah, let's go ahead and fix this issue as well. We might as well fix it because it's been just 6 minutes since we've started the stream, right? So it's image responsive, pull left, pull right, but in the mobile version we don't enforce this rule maybe, or actually no. Let me just take a look at this div, and when we resize these things, how does it go to the right instead of the left? Right, okay. So this is float right, right? Yeah. And if it's smaller than a certain size, then pull right kicks in. Okay, okay. Right. Cool. So it's going to be, you're going to add a style to image experiences. Also, let's apply the same thing for image experiences as well, the mobile, so it's just for consistency. Also, I want to add a comment in here. How do you add comments to Sass? I don't know. I'll take a look at that later. Well, actually, I should. How to add comments Sass. Right, okay, it's the same as CSS. Right, cool. The following style is here to fix the horizontal scroll issue when you animate elements using pose. Okay, that should help me remember in the future. And we're going to copy the same thing, and we are going to paste it to image experience. Where is it? Wait, we don't have a style sheet for image experience. That's why it looks trash. All right, I think it's time to edit. Project card, experience card. Yeah, we might as well name this as experience card, but that's not really the point right now. Okay, let's go in here, let's go in there. We're going to copy this bit. I'm going to go to copy this part. Also, this is going to come from image experience.module.sass. Okay, and we're going to apply this mobile div to here. Yeah, and pull left and pull right. You're going to use pull left and pull right to make the image float on the left and right. I'm going to call pull, oh, actually, pull left and pull right is coming from Bootstrap, right? Bootstrap for pull left. It's just, is it just called pull left and pull right? Yeah, it is. Okay. Let's try using this now. All right. So instead of doing all of these, we might as well just do should I apply it to the div or should I apply it to, let's try this. Let's do pull right. And let's see if all images are pulled towards the right now on the desktop version. No, they're not. So it doesn't work like this. So do I have to apply this to here? No. Okay, never mind. So let's see how we did this behavior in here as well. Image responsive. Okay, I don't need a div apparently. So if you don't need a div, then we could ideally, okay, what happens if we just do this, get rid of these, and do the same in here as well. Let's get rid of this, get rid of that. What happens then? Nothing changes. Absolutely nothing changes. Or does something change, or is it centered? Yeah, it looks centered, right? Yeah. Okay, well, turns out we don't need it. Now we can do pull right in here and also pull, so all images should be aligned towards the right of the, no? Interesting. Well, at least we managed to clean it up a little bit. So if that one is, this is pull right. So how does this work again? So this is pulled right, right? Yes. And what about this one? Do I have to indicate pull left in here? So there's before and after tag. There's row text justify. There's a call MD8 in here. What is the issue with this one? For pull right. Okay, pull right. Okay. So it doesn't change anything. But how though? Do I have to recompile maybe? Let's start the server again because we had a similar issue before, right? We restarted the server and some CSS stuff changed. Yeah, no. Right, we have this image in here. We have this text on the left and the pull left and pull right stuff. Okay, maybe it's getting ignored. We haven't considered that option yet. So let's inspect these elements, right? And yeah. Whoops, this is getting resized, which it shouldn't have. Why is that a square now? Yeah, that's not good. Is it the same case for the old website as well? I don't think so. Yeah, it's not. Okay, I think I have to change the components just a little bit now. All right, let's inspect this again. Let's copy this whole thing and let's just paste it in here. And we're going to remove this. Right, what do we have in here? we have row, we have text justify. I don't need text justify anymore. We also want to have these things. Oh, by the way, it's easier to copy this over to here. Okay. So we have an image. These things are the same, right? I might as well just copy these and paste them there so it looks a bit cleaner. Align self-center. This one doesn't have it, so we might as well remove it. This is the same image. Let's see. The image is not terminated. Let's clean this up. Image has class name, image responsive, pull right. Okay, doesn't have this one. It has image responsive. What's image responsive in Bootstrap 4? Well, I need Bootstrap 4. Image fluid, right. We are going to have image fluid in here, and they look very similar now, right? They're almost the same. And we're going to remove this, remove that. We don't need this anymore, or this. We're going to take a look at that later. We're going to use this property, I know. And let's do pull left. No, it doesn't work. And also, we managed to scrub the images. Okay. What can be the solution for this? Right. Pull left image Bootstrap 4. It just changed. It's just a thing that comes with Bootstrap now. Yeah. Robert Wet. Where's this guy? Hey, is this guy's name on this page? No. You have 2 inline items. Yeah, but where's Robert's answer? Something. What? Yeah, there. This is the right answer now. All right, cool. Class start float right, float. Okay. So it's float right and float left now. So instead of pull left, we're going to do float left. Still doesn't change anything. All right, let's keep reading. So using Come on, no. This could have been a 7-minute stream. This could have been just a 7-minute stream, but I have started doing this and I want to finish it. Great. Okay, so right, we have this in here. Is the class name, like, does this affect anything? Okay, let's run this. Let's inspect again. Image float left important. Yeah. Doesn't do anything though. Like if we change the order, then it does. What makes this go to the right of the website, huh? That's what I'm wondering. Right. You know what? It's because of this. At least I think it's because of that. Yeah. So I'm pretty close. However, there's a slight, very slight problem. This should be inside here, maybe? No. But wait. This should be 12. Actually, we can get rid of this if that's 12. And pretty close, but not really. Let's take it back. Still doesn't do anything. All right, let's get rid of this again. Let's think. So we have an image, we have an H4 and an H5 and a P. Cool. How was it in the previous website? So we have an image and there's also a div. Yeah. Okay, back to square one. We have an image like this. And how did that happen? Oh, it's because, okay, that did something. What if we made these containers? Import the container element. Still doesn't do anything for us. We need to add some padding between them. That's the issue. Okay, maybe try giving them maybe try this. Nope. There's one last thing that I could try, which is surrounding these things inside divs maybe, but no, that should not be the solution. What if we do this? It's because the length of this text is not enough for oh, this is messed up. This is messed up. Okay, let's go back. Actually, let's revert. Just no, not the whole. No, let's not revert the whole thing, but let's go back to a safe state that we know that works. Right. Works. Start again. Huh. Okay, now we need to pull these things right. So we're gonna float these right. Doesn't work. Why doesn't it work? There's an image, there's a container center, line self, the whole div. Didn't apply. Float right did not apply. If we give it this, doesn't do anything. Why is this such a big problem to fix? Why is this so difficult to do? Like sometimes the most complicated stuff like this blog is so easy to do. You can literally do it in one day. But centering something, moving it to the left or right, CSS is just meh. Come on, okay. Command MD, move right. Yes, this is exactly what I want. How do you do this? Yeah, how do you do this? How did you do this? Flex column reverse, flex MD row, row something something. Yeah, this is literally what I want. So if I just copy and paste this, is it just gonna work? I am gonna get rid of this, and that just to test it. So if you go to mobile, it's gonna be reverse. No? Right, apparently not, but haven't given up yet. I'm gonna do this and end this stream. Oh, sorry, this shouldn't happen here. All right, cut this. We're gonna paste it in here. Yeah, it just works. Okay. Very cool, very cool. So what should we do? Let's think of an easy solution now. So what happens if I remove this, by the way? Does it affect anything? Oh yeah, okay. Okay. We don't need this anymore, apparently. Oh, we do. Okay. Let's read how this works first. All right. We could add this to we want to put the image on the left. First one, image left, then the thing right, image left, and the thing right. So, but the second one, we want the text first and then the image, which means we are going to programmatically add CSS in somewhere. We're going to add this class. So if I change this to order 2, yeah, so programmatically add CSS. How do we do that? I think I've done that before, right? Shouldn't be that difficult. So I'm going to move all of these things in here, but then we're going to have a JavaScript class which says right align question mark. No, what? Okay, right align question mark. This is a ternary operator, and I'm going to insert order 2 if it's right align. Oh no, I'll just type it. And nothing if it's left align. And this is going to solve the issue. So it looks like what it looked like before, and if you move to the mobile version, then no, doesn't work. Everything's reversed now except this little thing. Okay, desktop version was fine, right? We only need to change the mobile version. Right align. Oh, how do you do that though? This is much more challenging than I thought. Come on, okay. The desktop version looks fine because we have specified an order 2 for right ones. At least it's cleaner than what we've left it with before, right? Let's auto clean this again. So it's half the length. It's much cleaner now. But I don't want to leave it like this. It has to stay at the top. What if we add this as What if we do this as well? What about the desktop version? Yes. It does exactly what I want. On the mobile version, they're all ordered like they should be. And if we go back to, like, let's just check it again. Okay. And if we go, oh wait, align self center should have been left there. Where was it before? So align self center should be in here. Okay, that's easy to do. Easy to fix. Well, apparently I've left it there anyway, but interesting. Should I add it here? No, but why is this not centered? Is this even doing anything? No. Get rid of it. MX auto. Yeah. What about the desktop version? Yeah. Okay. Desktop version looks very good. Let's go back to the mobile version. Resize it. Centered. Everything looks as good as it should be. We should add some margins here, but that's another task for another day. Horizontal scroll bug issue is gone. Very nice, very nice. Yep, this is good to go. Ship it. Okay, I'm happy with the result. Let's commit these changes. Git commit. What do we do now? All right, before we do a commit, let's take a look at the changes again, right? So in the project card, we added a mobile version and made the size 97%. We've added that style in. For the image experience, we've added our first style. And we've removed half of this class and also did something very clever to align images on the mobile version correctly. Okay, so text horizontal scroll issue caused by pose and fixed image ordering in mobile and skills. Push. And also let's do a build and also a deployment. I'm gonna check it. I'm gonna just see it. I'm gonna see how it looks on my mobile phone, and then if it looks good, I think this is almost ready to publish. So what do we need to do before I publish? As I said, I need to pick or just pick a new font or just adjust the fonts, and then we are good to go with it. And then I'm going to start improving this blog, I need to start writing blog posts as well. Anyway, I'll end the stream in here. It's too long already for a very simple task like this. Bye.